everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ebony Martin, visionary and founder of the Business of Childcare, where I provide you with practical steps and resources that will move you closer to opening up your very own licensed early learning program. Now today I wanted to talk to you about something, but before I do, if I continue to look down, I'm looking at my notes that I've made, so please bear with me. But today I wanted to talk to you about one of the things that you can do to get started in figuring out or finding out what early learning program, licensed early learning program in your area, what their requirements are. If you want to go, this is step number one. This is like the only thing that I'm going to talk about today. Is step number one. You want to go on my website, which is called thebusinessofchildcare.com, and you're going to go on the link that says start a childcare business. And on that link, in that little description I have there, a little bit about how to start a childcare business, you're going to click on, you're going to click on a little link. It's called the National Database of Childcare Licensing and Regulations. Now this database is amazing because it's for every state regarding childcare licensing. And I'm going to just click on it now. And when you go on that website, you're going to find it, when you put in your state, Alabama, you can put in New York, you can put in California, you can put in Kentucky, wherever you live, put in your state. And in that box, you're going to find the agency's name that you can call, the address, the phone number, the agency's website, your child care search page. I mean, this website is absolutely amazing. It has all of the information that you will need to get started. Now, what I would do is I would look up the agency's name, look up the phone number, I would call them. The first question that I would ask is, I'm looking to open up a licensed early learning program either in your home or in a center. What is the first things that I need to do? And in that, they will direct you. I would also ask, is there a ordinances or laws that are pertains to licensed early learning programs in your area? What are the laws? What are the requirements? Listen, people, you know, if we don't know the rules, we can't play the game. And that's just across the board. So what I would think to do first is learn the rules. Learn what the requirements are in your state or your city, and then you can begin to understand what are the requirements and can I do this? This is like tip number one, right off of the right from the beginning. Definitely call the agency in your state. Again, they're going to give you, this website is amazing. Like I said before, it's going to give you the agency's phone number, the name, the address, the website. You can go on the website, look around, and in some states, like I'm looking at one state, and it says here, it gives you the license ordinances. It gives you the laws and requirements of opening a licensed child care center, opening a licensed child care home, family daycare, license to open and operate a school-aged child care facility. Like, it really gives you all that you need. So if you haven't done that yet, and if you haven't went on and found out information regarding your state, that would be my first suggestion. You know, we all want to open up licensed child care centers or homes, but in order to do that, you really should get to the root of the situation where licensing is concerned. Now, when you call them, you can also ask, what are the requirements? What do I have to do? What maybe education do I need? Do I need to have so many hours learning about childcare and children? A plethora of questions that you can ask them, and the website has a lot of information and resources. And I love resources. I love because what you can do is you can go on yourself and figure out what it is, what it is that the city or state is requiring, and then what you can do to either say, yes, this is something that I want to do, or no, this is something that I don't want to do. And it definitely will help you guide you into the right direction. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Again, my name is Ebony Martin with the visionary and founder of the Business of Childcare. please don't forget to like and subscribe, leave comments so I can help you all on your journey to opening up a license program. I've been there, I've walked your walk, I know what to do, I know the questions to ask, and I know how to get you licensed. Again, go on my website, get the information, and get started. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.